welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, notification bell, share, like, tell a friend. Yeah man, You know, Christmas Day, so we decided to say, watch out, we'll do some freestyle. You don't know, freestyle can't spoil. You know me I say, right, that's how we see this up. Is a fish me a roast, right, that's for the eye self. You see me? Yeah. Some veggies for more. We have some more fish in the oven, the fridge to bring out. Jerk chicken for the fans, them, you know what I say? Yeah. Coconut water, you don't know if wash off my heart. No dirty heart around here, just clean stuff. Straight. You see it? Me fi tell you. Yeah man, we just are going full joy today, you know what I say? You know, we're not really into so much into these holiday things, but we give thanks for life every day. I mean, I say it's nothing unto life but life itself. Aya Tula, big up yourself. You always say that, you know what I say? Give thanks for Aya. Without Aya, a lot of things won't be possible right now. You know what I say? Straight, you know what I say? And all that who like Christmas and love Christmas, we want to wish them a happy Christmas, no? Yeah. But you don't know, we not really take away nothing from nobody still, but you see it? Yeah, straight. Alright, so no, we're there, I do the right thing. Straight up. Again, raw footage, you know? Chicken is on. Pull off the little thing there. It's a copper thing where you put on if you get grill marks. But I realize for the grill marks, them now to turn up some of the half of the thing though. And the other half, I go do it directly upon the grill after I finish the chicken them though. Yeah, get some grill marks. I'll eat the first half. So there's no grill mark on it. You know what I'm saying? Chicken them look good. Slow cooking, you know what I'm saying? Outdoors. You know what I'm saying? Raw footage. No edit. So we go deep with it for now. So I say, so I see what we do directly. Yeah. More chicken left up on the grill. You know me, I try to keep the flames on a level down. This thing right here is to like wind it up or wind it down if you want to, you know what I say? Bring it up or bring it down. I have it on a level where I don't want it too high or too low. I want it to cook perfectly without being burned. If you notice, check the colors on it. I'm going to zoom in. See those colors? Not burned perfectly. Fish is steaming, I can hear it simmering there. Got a little bit of butter in there, some garlic, some asparagus, some thyme, you know what I say? A little bit of lemon as well, you know what I say? Old Bay, salt and pepper for taste. A little bit of pepper flakes as well, because you know we like spicy food, we gotta keep it like that. Yeah man, I eat one. When the steaks come out, I'm gonna show you what we do. I didn't even want to show you the seasoning process, because you don't need that. You know what I say? Because you already know, if you watch the channel, you already know what we do and what we capable of. You know what I say? Yeah, show that little thing we're going in the back here. So, my orange tree, ready. Whole heap of orange up on it. Fruitful. Yeah man, ready to go. Wish you guys were near to have some. Yes. Alright, back to the grill. You hear that pop smoke there? Little bit of the fat them I drop off though, you know, the fire. And I give that little, you know, smoke taste as well to it when you grill on the grill. You know what I say? So try not to get all the fat off. I try to remove the skin, but I won't try to remove all the fat, because you need to leave some of the fat for that drop, and then the smoke come up and you get that smoke flavor. Or if you don't want that, you can add some smoke to yours. They got a thing they call liquid smoke, you can put it in there. Get it going, you know? So, alright. Take my time to what we do, raw footage, no editing. You guys gonna get it straight like this, straight. Yes man, see it there? So as we tell you before, we have some more things go up on the grill. We have one more thing to go up on the grill, little more, but we are do it little by little for now. We now do it and not do it little by little, you understand? So right now we put on the fish, the mat. You know, the mat, I think the mat goes very well with the fish, because it kind of make it like it's sear and it doesn't stick on it as well. That's what they say on the ray. So we have some salmon leave over from the date night. So I decided I'm going to put them on the grill. You know what I say? I make it do what it does. And I'm going to open up this later. That's my baby right here. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. You know what I'm saying? And later I'm going to show you a surprise. Chicken. done. Nice. I'm just keeping it right above that so it keep warm as well. Add a vegetable grill off and get some grill marks on it. But we're doing the right thing, you know what I'm saying? I got a guest earlier just coming to eat, you know what I'm saying? She excited, she like it, you know what I'm saying? She don't eat fish, so she have chicken and some vegetables. And she already leave and exit the building, so you know we do all day, every day. Taking care of anybody who come across, the neighbors, you know what I'm saying? Because you know the neighbors always look after us. So we're gonna make sure, you know, we look after them as well. So, yes. So as you can see, salmon giving off its own grease right there, bubbling. So you know it's working. And the salmon gonna take like 2 minutes on each side, you know, because they thin, they're not like a thick piece. And you can see the fish already is bubbling on the tail. Everything getting stiff up. So that look nice. We're doing the right thing and we're in the right place, which is right. You know what I'm saying? All day, every day. You know we do. Chef Bouka in the house. Yeah, you probably say I did this before, but let's do it again because it's gonna be raw footage. We're not gonna take anything out of it. We're gonna post it just like that. We're only gonna put the intro and the outro. And you guys can play with it, you guys can like it, you can dislike it, you know, whatever you guys do, I'm going with you. Just stay tuned to the channel because we're going to do some great stuff. And we post this Christmas, you know what I'm saying, thing right now for Christmas. I hope you guys like it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, blessed love everybody. We're here. When we come back, we're going to move into the next item we're going to put on the grill. You already know. Alright, as we are say, last but not least, for all the meat eaters, you know what I say? T-bone steak, nice, right amount of marble, you know what I'm saying? So what it is, fish, land, you know what I say? Fish is ready. I'm gonna open that one, let you guys see what it look like inside. You know it's gonna look good, it's gonna taste good too, it's gonna be nice. Yeah, vegetable ready over here, you know, wrapped down. Chicken up top ready. I'm about to put them in a container while these steaks, you know what I say, reach the way they're supposed to reach. Thinking, you know, we don't really normally eat wear in our medium wear, you know what I'm saying, which I don't eat steak, but whoever gonna eat it, I'm sure they want it medium well to well done. Alright? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Raw footage. When I say raw, I mean real raw footage. Yeah. Cooking some rice inside as well. You know what I say? Some Thai rice, coffee lime leaf, lemongrass, coconut milk, white rice. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Cook down nice. Season up with it, you know, a little bit of that green seasoning that I like. Can't go wrong with this. Raw footage, as we said, raw footage. We're gonna let you guys, you know, dice it up, chop it up. Whatever you guys think about it, let me know. We can do more of this for you guys if you like it. Alright, when we come back, we're gonna show you some style. Hi, thanks for watching the video. We appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, tell a friend, subscribe, like, comment, share, all the above.